Within the past few days, a test subject at Area 51 with supernatural strengths has breached. Attempts to recontain this threat have failed. All hope has been lost. Due to this fact, we will be cutting off the states from any help and any sort of recontainment or supplies for the next few weeks until we know how to solve this problem. States include Oregon, California, Nevada, Utah, New Mexico, Arizona. It is advised that you stay in your homes until this threat has passed. Remember, stay protected, stay safe, and good luck.